in Java. We will understand what is the use of arrays and what are the features of arrays, why we use arrays in our Java. So in Java, array is a referenced data type. It is used to store fixed number of multiple values of same type. Like for example, I want to store some int values from 1 to 100. I can store only int data type values in that referenced data type. Other than int data type, we cannot store another type of values inside those array. And it is used to store fixed number of multiple values. Fixed number of multiple values means, for example, if I have given array, if I have created array with size 10, I can store only 10 values inside that array. More than 10 I cannot store in array. So this is how array works in our Java. I will make a note about this so you will get some clarity. In Java, array is a reference data type. It is used to store fixed number of multiple values of same type in continuous memory location. We will see a memory diagram how arrays works in our Java. First we will say introduction, what is the use of array, where we use arrays in our Java. So like other data types, array is not a keyword, because array is not a keyword, it is a concept. It creates continuous memory locations using other primitive and reference types. We will see with diagram how arrays works in our Java. First I will make a note about this. Like other data type, array is not keyword, it is a concept. It creates continuous memory locations using other primitive and reference types. We will see the structure of array and structure of memory in our Java. For example, I will use like some byte array with size 100 with b variable is equal to I want to store some 100 numbers. This is my byte array with 100 size. I'm storing 100 values inside my byte array. Array creation statement. This is my array creation statement. We will see how memory is allocated to this byte array inside JVM or inside computer memory. When I say either JVM memory or CPU memory, don't get confused. Computer memory or JVM memory. JVM memory is a part of computer memory. From computer memory, some part of memory is allocated to our JVM. That part of location which is separated for our JVM is also called a memory to store our classes or data types. JVM is nothing but a memory allocated inside CPU. We will see memory structure. This is my array. Inside this array, all our values will be stored. 1 will be stored here. 2 will be stored here. 3, 4, like this. 100 memory locations will be created and will be stored in continuous memory structure. This is how my array will be stored in. This is how array structure will be there inside memory location. This is my B variable array. And this array memory location will be having a address like some 1010. This is the address of my array location. And inside this B variable, this is my array location address. Inside my B variable, this array location will be stored. Whenever I create byte size with 100 and I'm storing 100 values, it will create a continuous memory allocation inside JVM. Then it will create 100 continuous locations. Then it will store from 1 to 100 all values in array index format 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 100. Then this array will be having address like 1010 or 2020. Address will be having to that memory location, and that address will be stored in my b variable. So this is how array works in our Java. And all these values will be having index numbers, like index number starts with 0. This is my 0th index. 0th index consists of one value, and we have array index number 1. Array index number 1 consists of value 2. And I have 2. Like this, we have 100 index positions. Inside 100 index positions, we have 100 values. By using this index number, it will be easy to retrieve or to get the data from database or memory locations easily. By using index number, we can get that value easily. So we will make a note what we have discussed till now. In the diagram, array is created with 100 values. So JVM creates 100 continuous memory locations with each location of size 1 byte with some starting address. Assume some 1010. Each location is created with an index starts with 0. Finally, the base address is stored in the referenced variable b to read and modify those values further. So this is what we have discussed in our memory structure. I just make a note so you will get full clarity what we have done. So as you noticed, memory location wise, there is no difference in storing multiple values, because if we are storing multiple values without using array or with using array, there is no difference in storing multiple values using variables and array. Both consumed same size of memory in this case. Both consume same size of memory, like 100 bytes. The only difference is performance. In array, we will store the values by using fixed number of size and with continuous memory location that gives high performance than all other data types in storing multiple values. But by using directly variables, if we store 100 values, we will get some very low performance. We cannot retrieve or we cannot fetch the data fastly. By using array, we get high performance than other data types. But there is no difference in storing values. Both consumes same size of memory. And in array, we have some limitations. So what are the limitations? We will see now.